Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me is the Nasdaq 100 futures chart. As you can see, Friday, the final trading session of the week, and we are trading in the red ever so slightly as it stands. We're currently trading at 13,369. Just prior to the US markets opening, we did dip down to 13,300, which was the session lows. But we have paired those losses, and we now currently find ourselves trading at 13,369, as I just mentioned. Perfectly normal, going into a Friday. It looks like we're just trying to digest this week's gains. We've had a great rally over this week. We were trading down at 12,800 on Monday. Of course, it was Martin Luther's Day, so the stock market was shut, but the futures remained open. So we were trading at 12,800, and as you can see, Tuesday, when the US market did return, we've just absolutely skyrocketed towards the upside and gained a significant amount of territory here in the Nasdaq 100. One thing I would be cautious about if you are wanting to buy the Nasdaq 100 at this moment in time is the RSI telling us that we are a little bit overextended. So I definitely wouldn't sell the Nasdaq 100. Those who've been watching my videos for some time, you'll know that I've explained to you guys that indices, they're a product, they are designed to go higher. So I definitely wouldn't sell them because they've been going higher for the past couple of decades. But what you should do is look to buy the dips. This is a trading strategy that I've used. It's very simple, but it works. So I would definitely be looking to buy the minor dips. Just like, for example, today when we were trading at the session lows at 13,300, I sent a signal out to my signal team to buy, and as you can see, we are already a nice, lovely 69 points in profit. So hopefully that can continue to move towards the upside, and it will hopefully hit our take profit either before we close today or going into Monday, but I'm very confident it will do so. And that's one of the benefits of joining our signal team, is that we can help you know when to enter the market and what price target to exactly look for, and where to cut your losses if the trade doesn't work out. But I'm very, very bullish from a fundamental perspective. We've just hit earnings season, and those who've been watching my videos for some time, you'd have heard me mention that some of the biggest tech companies are about to report earnings, the likes of Amazon, the likes of Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, Google. We had Netflix, of course, who reported earnings this week, up 15% on Wednesday. And I'm expecting a similar outcome for, some of the other big tech names. We've just come out of the largest e-commercial Christmas ever. People were too scared to go to the shops to buy gifts for their loved ones. Therefore, it would have then resulted in them purchasing products or services online. So I really am anticipating blowout quarters from some of the big FANG stocks, which will then add fuel to the fire here in the Nasdaq 100. So 13,500 is my target going into next week. It'll be interesting to see whether on Monday or Tuesday we can attempt that rally up towards the upside, but I have no interest in selling the Nasdaq 100. If we could get a pullback, just because we're in a bull market doesn't mean that we can't have a pullback. I've explained in previous videos that a pullback in a bull market is actually healthy. So if we could get a pullback towards the 50-day EMA, which is currently at around 12,800, that would be a gift, and I would be all over that, and I would probably add a significant amount of money and buy the Nasdaq. But I think going into next week, I think we can look up towards 13,500 and target that. Just do be wary of the RSI. You do not want to be committing too much money at these high levels going into FOMO, because the RSI tells us that a pullback could easily occur. So I am bullish here on the Nasdaq 100. 13,500 is my target going into next week. No interest in selling. If you are selling the Nasdaq 100, I would definitely take a step back and reconsider that position.